That's, we ought to take that one to the... Whoa! Oh gosh! Woo! That was really close. Glad your brakes worked, Dad. Oh, Jesus.
Justice has a new home on IMDb TV with new episodes of IMDb TV Original, Judy Justice, streaming for free.
Jennifer Aniston asks me to get in my car, I'm diving in. If Jennifer Aniston did a murder, we would do a great episode. So that's fine. I approve. I'm diving in. If Jennifer Aniston did a murder, we would do a great episode. So that's fine. I approve. There was a story in my hometown of two girls getting abducted.
You think that looks good on me?
I don't either.
No, no. Oh, that guy just hit the wall. Look, look,
Oh
look.
no! Oh 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 my God! Oh my God! Oh no! No! Oh no, John! It's going on fire! Oh my God!
Blowing across her face. You don't need to defend yourself against me. I won't use the truth against you. So you think. The hot emotion in his gaze frightened her. Don't fight me, Lisa. You'll lose. You want too much. Yes, I do. I want your trust. He released.
Snacks later, I don't know, because
I mean, I guess you could tell him he'll have to find something else for later. What?
What are you doing?
Oh my God!
And Tech, don't do it.
Jesus! What the? Seriously?
His mumbo boo sounds like he's whining all the time. That's about my house. Yes, okay. What are you doing? Can you move the hell out of the way? Move, pendejo. What the?
I don't know.
Now, what the?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh,
God, that's an ugly group. Can you out of the way? Are you serious? Who's gonna stand there like a whole bunch of retards?
Oh no, don't do it. Don't. Oh my god. I ain't seeing nothing. I ain't seeing nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
And then you're gonna go in there.
Hello, no, we can go. It's okay. It's okay. Hi.
Punk ass. Gonna fucking say shit at me, then fucking act like a little the f out of here.
This message will be repeated in Spanish until
Literally, the car that was next to me, I was behind this car and they slowed down completely and I thought they were gonna like stop or something in the road.
2701 Brill Road. I need you here immediately. Some lady just rammed her vehicle into one of my employees' vehicles and into the front of our business.
I literally tried to swerve out of her way.
Yeah, she's still here, but I don't know if she's trying.
There was a car. The car that was in front of me completely just kept going.
No, they're fine. Lisa's freaking out.
They left, Mom. Like, they completely stopped. And no turn signal or anything. No. No one is hurt.
If they kept going straight, how did they even affect you?
They literally completely. I thought they were stopping. And, like, I was like, okay, I'm just going to go around them. No turn signal or anything.
So you went in opposite lanes of traffic.
I tried to just, like, get out of their way because they started turning. And, like, right here, my brakes are going out.
So they started turning right here, so you tried to turn this way to go around them?
I didn't know. I couldn't go straight into him, so I had to go, like, I tried to, like, just get
But
out
if
of
he
his
started
way.
turning, why would
And
you
my
start
car
turning
slid
also?
Because I didn't have enough time to brake. My car was, like, going, like...
So that means that you thought all this time that Grandpa Jack's been. distract me. Damn, you hit me, little. Yeah, some woman.